Hello and welcome to another exciting Sign Warehouse webinar where today we'll be speaking with some special guests. I'm John Coley, Video Coordinator at Sign Warehouse, and with me as always is Sign Warehouse's Product Manager, Jerry Barracks. And Jerry, I'm not sure if you're responsible for today's title of the webinar, but when I got the first email notification mentioning the heat transfer revolution, I thought it was the new dance movie that the kids are talking about.
No, we're talking about customizing textiles via heat transfer with our friends Anthony and Gabriel from Chemica. And the revolution part of the title refers to the exciting new product from Chemica, Hot Mark Revolution, which you'll see offers a lot of variety in the world of garment decoration.
Jerry, go ahead and introduce our guest.
Gladly. Today, as one of our panelists, we have Gabriel Giraldo, Chemica's VP of Sales and Marketing. Hello, Gabriel.
Hello, guys. How are you?
Doing well, thanks.
Great to have you.
And leading the way in today's discussion is Chemica's National Account Manager for the U.S., Anthony Giavelli. Hi, Anthony.
Thank you guys for having us today.
Anthony, we're just going to hand you the ball and let you run with it.
We do appreciate it. So we're going to spend a little bit of time just talking about the basics of materials and equipment needed to customize a garment or a textile. The first step, of course, is using quality heat transfer materials. Of course, that's where we at Chemica come in. We've developed a line of different styles and textures to suit the various needs of our end users. So, of course, that's a very important ingredient when customizing any kind of a garment or a textile. The next is the equipment. While a hand iron can work perfectly well, we do strongly recommend the use of a heat press. And the reason for that is so that you can be a little bit more precise when it comes to controlling things like temperature, pressure, and of course time. And the three of those small ingredients really make a bigger impact on the quality of the press itself and the outcome of the finished product. So we've tested the EnduroPress heat presses several times, not only here but at trade shows, and it's really a fantastic product for applying our vinyls to any textile.
We actually had a customer who thought they had some defective first mark. They kept complaining about it. They brought it to us. We pressed it with our heat press and found out there was nothing wrong with the product. The problem was they had a cheap heat press that did not produce enough pressure to actually affix the vinyl to the shirt. So it's all in getting the right equipment. You buy a good heat press and you're going to get the benefit of these high-quality products that Chemica manufactures.
And that's why we recommend, of course, the EnduroPress. But also, what other equipment do we need, Anthony?
A vinyl cutter, plotter, and of course, if you are using our printable materials, we recommend the use of a print machine, in particular, one that uses eco-solvent, solvent, latex, or sublimation ink type printers. And of course, our garment or textile. Things such as cotton, polyester, and even leathers work well with our materials. Stretchable materials such as lycras, spandex, and neoprenes can also be paired with some of our vinyls. So very important to note that as well. So now just a little bit of a background on Chemica as a company. We were founded just over 30 years ago near the city of Lyon in France. Our U.S. operations here in Atlanta opened just about 10 years ago. And even more recently, we've expanded into Hong Kong. That way, we're able to service our Asia market. So our group of companies allows us to be a major player in the textile personalization industry with a wide portfolio of materials and equipment to offer our end users.